I need one of these connectors for a project, radio project. And I'm curious, can I 3D print something instead of buying this part off of eBay for $10 or whatever it is?
Yeah, yeah. My favorite. I was right over by the cattle barn there.
And obviously, plastic is not conductive. So the theory is, can we design our CAD in such a way that we could print a couple separate pieces, wrap the right spots in aluminum foil or thin copper wire, and then spoink them together and get a working connector. This is what we're trying to connect. It has an external antenna plug, but it needs an RCA type connector. Whereas the antenna I have, a nice car top magnet antenna from Walmart, has a UHF type connector. But this does work. I've been playing with this for the last few days, and you can see if you wrap the aluminum foil carefully, you end up with two separate conductive paths. This connector, and you can see the wraps coming out the other end. For the next version we're going to print here, I'm going to make this slightly smaller because it was a little loose. And instead of laying the foil over the threads, which kind of tears it up over time, I'm adding this ring. So the foil will actually make contact with the connector at the bottom here instead of along the sides. Slice that. And we're off. The dogged Aquila S2, Aquila, with all the recycled pultrusion plastic. That's a good time. That. Straighten that out. So that's what we want. Got the tip of it all rolled up, and then the tail kind of folded into a flat ribbon. Little epoxy right where I want it to stick. Right about here at the base of the peg. There we go. That feels good. We're actually using electrical tape for its intended purpose here because we're insulating one conductor from another. This we still want to have be a nice solid snap fit. It is. Stays on there nicely. All right, so then these, I want to just feed them through here. I pull in either side here to get this guy to kind of feed down in there. Shiny bit, you can see that's the signal conductor, whereas these are the ground or the shield conductors. Yeah, that's it. All right, now just gotta wait. All right, next day, epoxy is dry. Let's see what happens.